Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel, where we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US buy stocks. Today we will talk about Trade Desk Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name TTD. Well, Trade Desk is actually now forming a situation called a boost or beast mode for the upcoming wave, meaning that we have a very nice wave starting at about 28th of September, and then this wave was classically going upwards very nicely and steady, and now we were slightly going also to overbought area by RSI. Now we see a very nice high white candle. This means that the wave is going to beast mode, meaning like it might experience extremely high and fast growth, but then inevitably a strong decline and wave break will take place with further stronger correction, meaning that the pattern might be something like going up and then break. When the normal wave formation will be going up and going normally down, this would mean that the further wave will start with the trend. And the first situation means that the stronger correction is going to place, and in general the stock is going to the corrective mode. So what to do then for the TTD? Well, if you're already in the position and you took it lower, well, take a chance. Why not? Maybe you will tomorrow have even higher jump on the beast mode. But most probably it will be either a kind of shooting star candle, so it could be something like white or red candle with very high upper shadow, or it might be even immediately a red candle similar in the size to the current one, to the latest candle of today. Then this would mean like white-red combination, also very bearish indicator. Well, then you won't maybe make a gain tomorrow, but if you entered earlier, you won't lose as well. So yeah, why not take a chance? But in general, be ready to exit with reasonable profit because, or without a loss, because in general the correction is about to come. After any beast mode, there is a stronger correction taking place. This is also confirmed by several factors. First of all, it's RSI, which is being very strongly overbought. It's already 83 area, quite high for this stock because usually historically, at least for last half years, if you look, all the tops were recently just a little bit overbought. Well, here you have higher overbought, having these tops. Always when you're a little bit overbought, the wave is about to correct, at least slightly to correct. Here we are very strongly overbought, so after beast mode, a stronger correction will take place. Also, if you look at MACD indexes, both histograms actually and the lines themselves are very high. Histogram is going from making very nice negative wave, it's now in a very high positive wave and trying to make a second positive wave. Once the second positive wave is finished, it will be extremely strong bearish indicator for correction, and this would mean that until it goes again below the zero level, the pressure cannot be built up to make any major upwards movement. Having said that, yeah, if you are just about to enter, it's better to wait for interesting safe buy opportunity. We always give over safe advice because then you know you won't lose your money. At least it's the least probability for that. So then therefore the first entry point would be the first very nice support line is at this level. Then the second would be actually at these levels if you look. So having said that, we can clearly see that these two lines, let's call them S1 and S2, they form a very nice entry points. So the first will be a very strong volatility, so anything a little bit below S1 actually would be the first entry level. Let's draw a little bit here, and then everything in the vicinity of S2 would be the second entry point, and we always advise to buy with the rule 1 to 2, meaning you buy with one portion and then you buy with two portions further at average down. Should the price really go down, this also might take place for the corrective stocks. Well, the third strong level of defense would be here, so it's actually quite well echeloned support here, you can see, and then the last support line will be here actually. So it's very well echeloned defense in general, and yeah, it will be stopped anyway, so it's very strong echeloned defense. And if you look, S3 lines and S4 are actually unpenetratable here in this case. Still might go maybe to the third line of defense like S3 levels, which would be the final buy point. but then correction is going to stop, and then upward movement will start. Here most probably 1-2 will work, so 1 circle, 2 circle. After that we should see reversal, but again, don't be too greedy, too hungry for the profit, because on the broken wave the reversal usually is going like 50-60% of the previous upwards movement. So it's just rough estimation, but let's say somewhere here, if you see that 1 second accelerative behavior started like double candles, you see similarly repeating each other, that would be the point until probably which the first recovery will go. So let's call it R1, and then it will most probably pierce for further recovery. Further, then lines S3 and S4 should work for later term. This is like 1-2 months maybe behavior prediction. So 1-2 circles, then further S3 and S4 lines for later case. For midterm, for short term it's 1-2, and probably immediately tomorrow we break the wave, or day after tomorrow should take place. So that's it for Trade Desk. Now you know what to do, how enter safely and make your game. As you see, we give advices in 1, 2, or even a couple of months in advance, because we are looking for upcoming opportunities. Therefore, also please look our other videos, even if they're outdated, because the date only means the date of issue of the video, but it doesn't mean that advice is outdated. Because as I said, we advise well in front, and you can actually prepare well to upcoming event, make your alerts, put your stocks on the watch list, and just wait for interesting buy opportunities. With having said that, also do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because again, you will not miss our new upcoming videos, and you will be able to learn more about new interesting US based stocks.